Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the specific Google Sheet you want to convert. Make sure the data layout and tab order are final. This prevents misalignment later. Next, go to File, choose Download, then Microsoft Excel, XLSX. That action creates a local copy compatible with Excel. Once done, note any Google-specific features like Apps Script, Google Finance, or Array Formulas. Excel may not interpret them. Save the XLSX in a known folder so you can open it quickly in Excel. Open the downloaded XLSX in Excel Desktop is best for full feature parity, but Excel Online works for basic checks. Immediately inspect critical sheets, verify formulas recalculated correctly, confirm date and number formats, and check merged cells and conditional formatting. If you see hash name or errors, replace Google-only functions with Excel equivalents. For example, substitute and index work similarly, but functions like Google Finance need manual data or Power Query. Make adjustments now so the workbook behaves as expected. Finalize by saving a versioned Excel copy and enabling automatic recalculation so formulas update. If you encounter function name mismatches, use Find and Replace to swap Google functions for Excel ones. Check for broken links to external sheets. For complex imports or large data, use Excel's Power Query to re-import CSV exports of each sheet, which preserves data types. Key troubleshooting tip: if formulas still error, isolate the problematic sheet, rebuild the logic step by step, and test each recalculation to find the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.